first chapter of class 8 mathematics, which is rational number. Okay, the number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integer and q not equal to 0 are called rational number. Okay, all of you are familiar with the term of integer, okay, which is all whole number including negative numbers are called integer. So a number like 3 by 7, which is written in the form of what? P by q, and q not equal to 0. So 3 by 7 is a rational number. Okay. Similarly, suppose some number is not clearly visible in term of p by q, as there are written, and is 3 is a rational number. Of course, 3 is also a rational number because you can write 3 by 1. The value will not change. It will remain 3. So it is written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. So 3 is also a rational number. Okay, as minus 8. Minus 8 is a rational number. Yes, it is integer, and we can write this integer as 8 by 1. So value remain minus 8. So this is written in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. So minus 8 is also a rational number. Is it clear? Is 0 is integer? Yes, of course, 0 is also integer. So if we write 0, or in place of 0 by 1, the value remain not changed or remain same. So 0 by 1 is written in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0. Is it clear? Okay. Now about the absolute value. If a is a rational number, then absolute value of a is written as mod a. Absolute value of a is written as mod a. So it becomes a rational number. In the case of positive number, absolute value of the number itself, and in case of negative number, negative of negative number is absolute value of the number. As suppose a number written 3 by 8, its absolute value After removing this mode, it remains 3 by 8. So this number is positive, the number remains positive. Okay, but in case of negative number, negative of the negative number is absolute value of number. As suppose the number is minus 3 by 8. So what we can write? Negative of the negative number. So suppose the number is like this. So in case of converting that one to the form of absolute number, it becomes negative of the negative number, which is 3 by 8. There is sign of multiplication, nothing is given here, so it means there is sign of multiplication. So it becomes minus into minus become positive, or 3 by, it becomes 3 by 8. So in case of that one, you can write that sign of positive, or it will remain as. Now we are going to discuss about representation of rational number on number line. Suppose a number line is like this. Okay, this is origin. From this, suppose, and it is like this. One from rightward, it is 1, 2, 3, and so on. And from leftward, it is -1, -2, and so on. Is it? Suppose we have to represent that one, a rational number which is 1 by 3 on number line. Nothing is given in front of it. It's obviously this number is a positive number. So we have to draw that one towards rightward of 0 of origin. Suppose what is there written? 1 by 3. So it is less than, this number is less than 1. So in that cases, we have to draw 3 equal distance between between 0 to 1, which is it divided in 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So this one is, this point is represent to 1 by 3. For first part among 3. This represent to 2 by 3 and this represent to 3 by 3. 3 by 3 equal to 1. That's why we are drawn a complete mark. Okay. So 1 by 3 is represent in this place. Okay. Similarly, if the question is raised 12 by 5. Okay, the number is not in form of proper fraction. So convert that one into mixed fraction. So it becomes 5, 2 by 5. Sorry, 2 by 5. You can write like this. It means individually this is 2 plus 2 by 5. Okay. 2 represent to whole number and 2 by 5 represent to a rational number. So what we have to do? First of all, suppose we have drawn a line like this. Then 1 and 2 whole number. Then after 5, 2 by 5. It means we have to draw 5, divide this from 2 to 3 among 5 equal parts. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 and this becomes 5. The first one represents to 1 by 5, the second one represents to 2 by 5, this represents to 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and this represents to 5 by 5. So what we have to draw? 2 by 5. So this becomes, this point become 12 by 5. So this point represents to 12 by 5 on number line. Is it clear? First of all, write all these questions, which is inside mode minus 2 by 3, mode minus 8, 4 by 11, 5 by minus 5 by 19, 2 by 3, plus minus 5 by 6, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2. So as you know that one we discussed, in case of negative number, it will be negative of the negative number. So obviously after removing this mode, it become positive 2 by 3. The absolute value of this one become 2 by 3. This become 8. This become the positive number remain as it is, means 4 by 11. The next one is, this is negative, means negative of the negative number. It becomes 5 by 90. So I am going to solve this question. Question number 5. Rest question number 1 to 4 you solve by yourself. Okay. I am going to solve question number 5. 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 inside mode is equal to 2 by 3. That is sign of multiplication. As you know that one, the plus into minus, it become minus. So 5 by 6. Is it? The next one is, the LCM of these two numbers become 6. So 2 into 3 2 ja 6 minus 5 into 6 1 ja 6. So inside mode, what will get? 4 minus 5 by 6. Okay. In that case, if the sign is different, 4 is negative and the 5 is, 4 is positive and the 5 is negative. In the sign, if the sign is different, so then we have to subtract from bigger to smaller. So 5 minus 4 become 1 and the sign of bigger one by 6 inside mode. What will get? Inside mode, the 1 by minus 1 by 6. So absolute value of minus 1 by 6, this is negative number. So the absolute value of any negative number is negative of the negative number. So it become what? Minus 1 by 6. So it become 1 by 6. Minus into minus become plus. So this is answer of this question. First of all, write these questions. They are written. There are 6 questions are there. First of all, write these questions. I hope you have written this one. Okay. So first of all, we are going to discuss from 1. This is simple addition of a fractional number. As 3 by 2, you remove the mode, it become 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. This become, so by taking LHS and the RHS, you can solve that one. So, I am going to solve question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. Solution of question number 5. Here. First of all, take LHS and individually take the LHS, which is inside the mode minus 7 by 9 into 18 by 35. So there is sign of multiplication, so you can cancel or divide numerator and denominator. Okay, 7 5 ja 35 and 9 2s are 18. What's remain here? Minus 1. Is it? 7 1s are 7. So it become minus 1 and 7 5s are 35. So it become 35. Then minus 1, what remain? In the place of numerator, minus 1 into 2 and denominator 1 into 5. So it become what? Minus 2 by 5. So absolute number of any negative number, negative of the negative number, or finally you can say that one, the absolute number of any number will be only be positive. So it is 2 by 5. Is it? Okay. And RHS. We have RHS like minus 7 by 9 into 18 by 35. Then first of all, remove this mode. This is negative. So absolute value of this negative number become what? 7 by 9 into 18 by 35. Then 7 5s are 35, 9 2s are 18, then we'll get what? 2 by 5. So look here, LHS is equal to, left hand side is also equal to 2 by 5 and RHS is also 2 by 5. So finally we can say that one, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? Written? Question number 6. Look here. 0 by 5. We have seen that one. 0 by 5. Question number 6. 0 by 5 become LHS. 0 by 5 become 0 plus minus 6 by 7 like this. So it becomes 0. After removing this bracket, it becomes minus 6 by 7. So finally 0 minus 6 by 7, it remains 6 by. Okay, so it becomes what? 6 by 7 in mind. So it becomes what? 6 by 7 after removing this mode. Okay, now the second condition is RHS, where 0 by 5 plus minus 6 by 7. So 0 by 5 become what? 0 plus minus 6 by 7 after removing that mode. This is negative number. So after removing that mode, it becomes the absolute value of that number, which is 6 by 7. 7 into 0 become 0 plus 6. So it becomes 0 plus 6 by 7. And this becomes 6 by 7. And after removing that mode, the absolute value of this number becomes 6 by 7. The question is, represent each of the following number on the number line, which is 1 by 4. You have seen that one. The sign of, this is sign of negative. So draw a line like this. this is origin, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and from the negative 1, 2, -1 and -2. What they are written? -3 by 5. Obviously there are sign of minus, so it become in negative side. So what we'll do? The numerator is less than denominator, so the number should be less than 1. So look here, the divide the 1 unit among 5 equal parts. So it is started from 1, 2, 3, 4, and this become 5. So start from this become 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, and this part represent to what? Minus 3 by 5. Okay, this is answer of question number 2. I am solving question number 4, which is minus 7 by 3. Okay. So first of all, draw a line like this. This is center 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive side 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, like this. So this become -1, -2 and -3. Which is -7 by 3. Convert this one into improper fraction to the mixed fraction. So it becomes minus 2, 3 2s are 6. What's remain? 1 by 3. Or you can write this one, or the exact meaning of this number is minus 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so what we'll do? Initially this one minus 2, this one is minus 2, the rest one is again it is in term of minus, so it will be the next one is going to be divided by 3 equal part, 1, 2 and 3. So first one become 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. So this point represent to 1 by minus 1 by 3, and whole from here to there represent to minus 7 by 3. To find two rational number whose absolute value is this one, this one, this one and this one. Okay, first of all, to show this one, you have to get that absolute value of that one. Draw a number line like this. Okay, I am going to solve question number 3 and rest I am leaving rest of question for you. Okay, they are written 15 by 90. This is 0, and suppose this one is 1 and this one is minus 1. Okay, so what we have to do? 19 mark from the equal list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This one is 19. Okay. So what they are written? 15 by 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this become 15 by 19. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this become what? Minus 15 by 90. So this one, suppose this represent to B, this represent to A, and this represent to, this mark represent to B. Okay? First of all, draw this line and put mark on the line like this. Point A represent to minus 15 by 19 and represent to 15 by 90. But the absolute value of both of them is 15 by 19. So absolute value of so two rational number whose absolute value is 15 by 19 or 15 by 19 and minus 15 by 19. Okay, write this one. Written